What is up, guys? We're going to be changing wheel bearings, the wheel seal, and the inner races. I've already done the other side. Now I'm going to do this side. All right, first let's remove the wheel. Don't forget your hearing protection. I want to take the caliper off. We'll take this guy off after. We'll take the caliper first. Can you see that? Just removing the caliper bolt. As you're pulling the calipers off, you got to make sure that these brake pad holders, these tabs are pulled up so that you can pull the caliper off of it. The same thing up top. See how that was holding onto the caliper there? And then just let your caliper just hang out. Just kidding, don't. I'm gonna put it over here. The rotors and the brake pads look pretty okay. I mean, like, they've seen better days, but not enough for me to want to change them out. Still works. Wow. Actually, we don't need to take that off. Next, this guy. Okay. That's disgusting. It's so black in there. Come take a look at that. It's like chocolate fudge. It's got a cotter pin here. Straighten that bad boy out. Pull her out. Probably put a new one in. Sweet. Bing bong. Shouldn't be too hard to remove. Yeah, that was very easy. Alright. And when you're ever removing stuff, always remember the orientation that you took it out of. Take a picture. Take a picture. And then start removing it. I remember how the other side looked like, so I'm not going to bother. Wow, this one's cooked. So I'll clean it up a little bit, but if you can tell, it's like yellow, brown. That's from heat. So no bueno. And even these ones aren't even rolling here on the outside. The roller's not moving at all. Yeah, so let's do a thumbnail. All right. This is definitely a cooked bearing. Well done bearing. I like my bearings rare. Sometimes medium rare, but it cannot be well done like this. The whole reason why I'm changing this is because when I was driving on the highway, or every time I drive on the highway, I'll have vibrations. Not violent vibrations, but very, very noticeable vibrations. And when I went to go check the play, I could feel that the right wheel had a little bit of play when I was moving the right, like just jiggling the wheels left and right. All right, welcome to my messy toolbox. We're gonna knock out the bearing, the seal in the back here. Before we do that, have a quick sip of iced tea. That's good shit. So how I took out the other one, simply knock out the bearing, and hitting the bearing is going to knock out the seal on the other side. Bada bing, bada boom. There's the bearing, old one. Looks absolutely disgusting. Seal, there. Yeah, kind of looks okay, but whatever, we're going to change that. Now, all we have left is the race, and I hate removing these. I haven't thought about just replacing the rotors because they come with new races. But it's all for learning experience, right? It would help a lot. You clean the inside so you know what you're working with. Right now it's filled with grease. Let's clean it up. That should be clean enough. If it's really hard, I might weld this area, like people say to do it, and it should make it easier to come out because of the heat. But for me, welding the bead on there just makes it easier to hit, because hitting these edges, they're like a millimeter or less. It's so tiny to hit. So like you hit it and you just slide off of it. It just keeps falling off. Notice I still have my hearing protection because the clanging of this over and over again, it's really fucking loud. Call me a pussy. I don't want tendinitis in my ear. Tinnitus. I was working on the other one for like an hour, 2 hours. I don't know. I was there for a long time just trying to beat these races out. And then getting it in is not any easier. There's a bigger like gap in between now from where the race was sitting. I have more clearance to knock it out, but I'm gonna sharpen this thing. This thing is super dull now. All right, let's keep trying. Just FYI, this thing that's popping out slightly there, that's what we're trying to get out, the race. That's what holds the bearing in place. Get some good hits. She's ready to come now. Woohoo! Finally! Now the other side. Fuck! Are we even moving? Can't tell. You know what? Let's have some fun. Let's weld this thing. Shit, I'm not doing this right. That's for sure. You said weld around it, so I'll try. Ah! Fuck it, fuck it. Fuck it. This is a little embarrassing. It's my first time doing it, but that's what it looks like inside. At least I have something to hit now. It's out. I didn't know it was gonna be that easy. That welding trick, welding the race and then like using it as a bigger edge to punch out the race, and also the heat probably helped, you know, loosen up some of the corrosion. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. The other wheel, I spent at least an hour just smashing this one race. This took less than 15 minutes. Because you saw how the other set took so long. So, weld your races. So I'm at the fridge right now to get another drink, but also take out my frozen races, because it'll be a lot more easy to install when they're frozen. And the reason behind that is because when you freeze metal, it shrinks. So when you're putting it into the hole, it's going to pop in easier, because that circle that was bigger is now smaller. So it'll be easier to tap in. Look at that, nice and frozen. I do not have a race or seal installer, so I'm just using sockets around the same size as this. Let's give it a good little whack. Essentially, you want it to go in evenly. Right now, it looks like it's going in evenly, so good. Shit, just pinch between these two. Check the inside. Check around for the gap. Looks pretty good. I think we're good here. Now, we're gonna pack the bearings. Grab your bearing, grab a tube of grease, put some gloves on, put some grease on your gloves, and then start packing the bearings. So this is what it looks like before you pack it. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. So right there, you can see how the grease is coming through the bearing. Keep tapping and forcing the grease through the bearing until you see it come all the way through the other side. That's when you know you're done. And you need to do it for the whole circumference. Yeah, it's all the way around. Guess get the leftover grease, put it around the race. All right, put your bearing inside. Now, I was taught in class, lubricate your seals with whatever it's trying to include. So, let's lubricate the seal with what it's including, which is grease. Put that here, then we're going to be done this side. Boom. This side's done. Now we're going to put in the race on this side. I think it has a little bit of ways to go. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's put this bad boy onto the truck. I got the rotor and I got the outer race packed up. Take whatever residual, just put it on the race, a little bit inside too, on this as well. Perfecto. Put this buddy guy inside there. Sweet. Cotter pin. Why the fuck am I such a dumbass? It's not even the fucking calipers, because I fucking installed this wrong. What the hell? Oh, so mad at myself. If you saw that earlier and thought I was a stupid guy, yeah, you're right. You're right.